we're back. It's the two of us again. Yeah, we're just doing some more on this.
Trying in his basement, please help.
That is, oh, dang
Dude.
it.
Broke the floor.
Oh, dang it.
You.
Alright.
I'm going back to my drum.
Well, this is, I don't like this. I'm gonna do the drone.
Nope. I didn't.
Alright, let's, start building.
And I broke it. Okay. And my
By the way, you can paint the floor. What do you want your floor color to be?
like my floor, I don't know.
Do you want a lighter or darker green?
I don't know.
Okay. He's making a roller coaster. Oh.
Let's start. I think it's going good.
I think you're missing something.
Oh. The middle of that? No, that's supposed to be like that.
Hmm?
That's supposed to be like that. See how it doesn't
Not
work
in the
like that? Wait, take that off. Look. No, look. Look what happens when you take. Oh shoot. Look. It'll just keep forcing you up until you get it automatic. You'll get it though. You'll get it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure. Or it has to be a little bit higher. I'm not sure. I think it has to be a little bit higher.
Oh, never mind.
I told you.
Oh, and something we added.
It's cotton machine.
Those. Yeah.
Cotton machine. Yippee!
But what color do you want your floor?
I don't know actually. So I'm gonna go like this.
I think I'm gonna make a mini green screen room in my room.
No, it goes like this. We need to destroy these. This is not going as planned. The higher you go, the closer you are to my floor. Okay, we need to make it to right here.
Cameras. That actually works.
Wait, no, do this, then forward.
Oh. I accidentally painted a bit of your, floor green.
It's fun.
Trey! Where's my... Oh my gosh!
Fly.
Alright, what did you do?
I
My
left
bird kept
my
me
camera on my mini green screen room.
Oh damn. RP your camera funny.
Okay, anyways, so
Oh,
this
you
is
do
what
have a
I've
mini green screen room.
Yeah, just like for if I want to do something small.
Green screen. Oh my god. This is neon. Very neon. Meow.
Because
The green
lime
screen
green is
part
not in the
is
game yet.
Hi. I live with you in your walls. I live in your walls. Yeah.
It's that
well,
corner.
no, you
It's
don't,
this
know-
because I can
corner.
kick you.
You know if you kick someone, they can't come back into your private world.
At all?
Yeah. I did it to my
Oh.
friend and he never came back. Yeah, he was never able to join again.
No, it only kicks you until the owner leaves and rejoins.
Oh. Then he was no wait for real it does?
Yeah. If you got kicked and you left and the owner left, you could join back.
By the way, I had to move some of your things to off this part.
Yeah. Okay, then I'll just put them like on the wall.
Trey.
I'll put them on the
Yeah.
ceiling.
I believe I can fly.
But you can't fly.
62.
Block.
That means that means 62 of these single blocks up. From
Yo, it
this
actually worked
right
finally.
here, 62 blocks that way.
I like the color
Straight
of
up.
it. There, finally, we're done with the freaking drum thing. Finally, that's a thing.
Train. Me like train. Me like train.
No, not again.
Green. 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 Green.
What?
Green. Green. Green.
Yeah, there's something honestly wrong with it.
Green. Green. Green.
Okay, we still need to figure out
I like green.
what color
What do you
we
colors?
want the main
What color do
bit of
you
the
like? I
lobby
like
to be.
green.
Same.
Green.
No! That didn't work.
Green.
Now it fits.
Green.
Perfect.
What color do you like? I like green.
Are you just
Do
doing this
you
for
like
every single
green?
one?
Yeah.
Green. Green. Green.
You know? Did you know you could swatch this for this? Oh shit.
Huh? No, I can't.
Yeah, oh wait, that's true.
Because we're
I see why
doing
not.
two different colors.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I actually called it.
Green
You're
is
good.
pretty. I like green. Black. 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 Green is better. Green. I'm gonna have a mental breakdown saying green. Help.
You're
Ryan.
the one that's screaming all green.
Green.
Okay, follow me.
Can I come?
Sure, but
I
you're
can ski.
so anyway, what do we want this section to be?
The area where you could just fill that with cotton.
Like, no, I mean like, what do we want this like little lobby area? What do we want that color to be?
You could just put
Green.
two cotton machines there.
Green.
Well, I mean the
green,
walls. Like, what do we want to paint the walls?
Green.
Gray.
So, like, this gray?
Let me see what gray I have, and my legs are also hurt, so I'm literally.
I like color green.
Do you own the color green?
Green. Green. Wait, no. Green. I have 3 greens.
Honestly, we should make color this right. No,
Green.
this right here.
Green. And
Orange?
green. I own all green. Dang it.
Orange. I need to get the orange. Oh,
Eh. I missed. Ta-da. Ah! Green. Eh. Eh. Eh.
3-0.
there are so many people that just make little platforms in the sky and then freaking just like put buildings on it. Like
Okay,
I did that.
should we want it to be orange?
Orange.
Green.
Orange.
Again,
Green. Green.
don't close
What are
them
you
in though.
looking at?
One of our
He's
friends
gone.
messaged us either that or
He's not moving. Yeah, he's not moving.
oh, okay,
He's back. He's back.
Woo!
Oh, he's outside the map. Oh. I like a green too. Meow. 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 I eat French bread. Nom nom nom.
Hello?
Yeah.
I have to go.
Oh,
Green.
okay. Okay. All right, I gotta get off too.
She played for like more than an hour, honestly.
I gotta get off anyways, so
Yeah.
I'm just gonna end
Bye.
off here.
Bye.
Well, bye guys.
Bye bye.